Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm doing a review of Autobrite Direct's Ceramic Refresh Pro spray. This follows on from the last video where I showed their ceramic shampoo. So after doing the ceramic shampoo video, I took Autobrite Direct's wax off and coated the bonnet again. As you can see from the rinsing off here, there's no protection left over. For Ceramic Refresh Pro, there's a couple of ways you can apply this. You can spray directly onto the panel. You only need a couple of sprays. As you can see here, I've gone in and used 3 for half the bonnet. You then want a microfiber towel to spread the products over the area you're working in. You can then leave this up to 30 seconds to cure and then buff off with a second microfiber towel. For me, I like to do 2 passes to ensure the product is removed. The other way you can apply this is to spray directly into a microfiber towel and then spread that over the panel. You will again need a second microfiber towel to buff off any residue after 30 seconds. After applying, you can use your car straight away and you can also get it wet straight away. Ideally, you would allow an hour for the product to fully harden and bond to the panels, but it isn't a must. You can see from rinsing, the water behaviour is incredible from just one coat. The slickness and the gloss this product applies to a car is incredible, and for me it's the best product that Autobrite do in their lineup. Personally, on my own cars, I've always been a wax guy, but I'm beginning to really like these spray sealants, and for the winter, here in the UK they certainly do an excellent job. It's also worth noting you can use this on a coated or uncoated car. Whether it's coated previously with a wax or a ceramic, you can add this on top. So I would highly recommend, if you are thinking of buying some, do it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please reach out to me in the comments below if there's anything else you'd like to see. Thank you again for watching.